Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm showing you the introduction to tk.Inter in Python. First thing you need to run this is to install obviously tk.Inter. To do this, we're going to use pip install tk.Inter. Enter. Let's wait a little bit. It says this because I already installed the package, but in your computer you're going to see a lot of things going out here, so don't worry. Next thing we need to do is to make sure you install tk.Inter properly. So we're going to type Python and then we type import tk.Inter, and it shouldn't make any error. Or if you have any question or something, leave it in the comments below, please. So let's continue. Sorry. Sorry guys, I'm back. Next thing we need to do is to open a new project. So and this is another thing. Okay. To make sure to use a great or a comfortable text editor, because I use this but it is not that great, so make sure you have a good one. So we save it like tutorial.py in desktop projects. Okay. First thing we need to do is import obviously tk.Inter. Import tk.Inter as tk. Okay, we save this and the next thing we need to do is to create our main window. So we type like this: root is equal to tk.Tk, and we type this, and to show the window on our screen we need to type the next thing: root.mainloop. Okay, now we are ready to run this. Open in terminal. Python.py, and you can see this window. We can modify it if we want. Okay, but you can see there's nothing right here. The title is tk and there's nothing really here. We can modify the size and the shape of the window. So okay, next thing to do is to define the geometry of our window. So we type root.geometry, sorry. Okay, and we type these numbers are pixels, so we type, for example, 300 times 300 pixels. We save it, we run it, and we can see the shape is modified. Okay, we could, instead of 300 we can type 500 and the size is going to be modified. You can see. Okay, The next thing to do is to change the title of our window. So we type root.title, and you write the title of your window right here. My first window. Okay, we save this and we run it. Python tutorial.py, and you can see the title has been modified, and now it is my first window. Okay. Now, as we defined this, the geometry and the title of our window, is now time to show or type and label on our window. So we type label1 is equals to tk.Label root, comma, and then we type text equals, and here you write what you want the label to show. So for example, I will type this is a label. Okay, and then to show it we need to type label1 dot pack. Okay, let's see this. Opening terminal. We hide this. Okay, Python tutorial.py. Okay, and you can see right here the label. This is a label. We can place it wherever we want, but for this tutorial we are going to leave it like this. Okay, now next thing to do is we are going to create a button. Okay, button1 equals to tk.Label. Where is it going to be located? In root. The text of the button is going to be button. Okay, the next thing to do, or we need to define, is the command. Our command is going to be hello. Okay, button1 .pack. Okay, now if we run this, the terminal is going to pop an error, so we need to make sure we don't have an error, so we have to define this command. So we type def hello. Okay, now we define it, print. This is so simple action. Hi. Okay, we save this and we run it. Oh, we got an error. Command oh, what a fool. button. Okay, now we run it. And now you can see a button here, and if we click it, it prints hi. Okay, in this video I showed you the basics of tk.Inter. In the next video I'm going to show you the entries and how to define their variables, and all that stuff. So see you in the next video. Subscribe, leave a like, and that's all for today. Bye bye.